Imagine Apple finally doing a foldable, and instead of rushing it out, they go straight for the biggest problem every foldable phone has had so far: battery life. That's exactly what these new leaks are pointing at. And if they're even close to accurate, Apple might be playing this way smarter than expected. According to fresh rumors coming out of Weibo, picked up by sources like 9to5Mac, Apple's so-called iPhone Fold is being tested with a massive 5,500 mAh battery. And that number matters a lot. To put it into perspective, even the upcoming iPhone 6 is expected to land around 5,088 mAh, which is already huge by iPhone standards. This would make the foldable iPhone the biggest battery Apple has ever put in a phone. Full stop. And honestly, that makes sense. Foldables are power-hungry beasts. You've got a large internal display, more complex hardware, and extra strain on efficiency. Early foldables from other brands looked futuristic, but were constantly dragged for mediocre battery life. If Apple is seriously testing a cell this big, it strongly suggests they want endurance to be one of the headline features, not a compromise you're forced to live with. But the battery isn't the only thing changing. The same leaks suggest Apple is rethinking the physical layout of the phone, including moving the volume buttons higher up the frame. That might sound minor, but on a foldable, it's actually a big deal. When the device is unfolded, traditional button placement can feel awkward, and Apple clearly doesn't want that clunky first-gen feel. There are also mentions of camera upgrades, hinge improvements, and tweaks to the chassis itself. Details are still vague, but the direction is pretty clear. Apple seems to be obsessing over durability and ergonomics, which, let's be honest, are the two biggest question marks around foldable phones right now. Hinges get loose, screens crease, frames flex. If Apple enters this category, it can't afford any of that. And while Apple hasn't officially confirmed the iPhone Fold exists, classic Apple, the sheer volume of leaks at this point makes it pretty obvious that something is cooking behind the scenes. This doesn't feel like an experiment. It feels like Apple waiting until they can do it with fewer compromises than everyone else. So the real question is this: if Apple delivers a foldable with strong battery life, better durability, and that usual polished Apple experience, would you actually want one? Or are foldables still a gimmick in your eyes? Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.